Hello, Mountaineers. I know, it's been a while. It's been a while. But guess what? Look who's spending the day with Gigi. Well, he's spending the night with Papa and Gigi. Probably 2 nights with Papa and Gigi. Can you say hi, William? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? He's like, who am I talking to? Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this video. So we just got done eating at Whataburger. Whataburger, Whataburger, Whataburger. I know. Texas Raider Chris, he ate your fries. Is that right? And Gigi? I ate your cheeseburger. I'm sorry, Chris. Yeah. But somebody loved his French fries. I tore up some meat and gave it to him. He enjoyed that. I tore up some of the bread and gave that to him. Yup. That's right. Ain't that right, baby? That's right. But y'all, it's been a little bit. We have some new animals coming to the homestead. 2 boys, 2 girls. And I'm pretty sure if you saw the my actual video on my main page, you will know what we're building for these animals. I think I have the names already for the girls, but I'll have to discuss it because they are mine. They are mine, but I still discuss it with Chris. So if y'all have some names, drop it in the comments. Let others know about our membership page, because it's awesome to have members. Didn't think that we would have as many members as we have, and I know I've been slow at uploading a video for the membership side, but life has been really, really busy. And so trying to upload 2 times a week on the main page and then trying to get a video out for just you guys, sometimes that can be a little overwhelming. But I want to make sure that y'all are very special and that y'all know that. Okay? I want you to know that y'all are special to me for being here and sticking with me through this whole journey of the Mountaineer side of the YouTube. Okay? I promise to make it very special. I know I keep making promises and stuff hasn't been done, but y'all, life happens. Grandbaby, we got a new grandbaby that had come, and then we have one coming in July, and so it's really hard when I got appointments after appointments after appointments, not to mention all the life stuff at home, then the homestead chores, getting meals out for my family and my husband, and it takes a lot. It really does take a lot. But I appreciate you sticking here and roughing it out with me and sticking along, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for being here. Let's get on with the video some more. Yeah. Get it, baby, get it. Dance. Dance. Dance, William. It's windy today, y'all. But look at this guy. He was just eating oatmeal. He was just eating oatmeal. Look. We're gonna go check on the roosters. We're gonna go check on the roosters. Woo! It's windy out here. Y'all pray for the people that are close to the fires that are happening. So yeah, y'all pray for them, because I guess they're having to evacuate. So we're gonna go back over here. They're having to evacuate. There's a fire here in Oklahoma. This is not a good day for a fire. Yeah. We're only gonna be out here for a little bit, but someone came to visit. He's loving it. His little hair. His little hair. Meow. Meow. What are we doing? What are we doing, William? William, what are we doing? Huh? What are we doing? Yeah, like I said earlier, thank you for you know, sticking it out with us. I'll have more videos when baby boy's not here, you know, letting y'all see the animals, and when it's not a windy day, because that's what it is. It's a windy day. It's a windy day, isn't it? Yeah. It slows down for a little bit, and then all of a sudden big old gust of wind comes, and yeah, I've got my seeds outside, but I'm not planting anything today. I'm not going to mess with my garden because, as you can tell, it is way too windy. We're going to get inside, y'all. Yeah, we're going to get inside. You ready to go inside? Love you guys. Share us out. Leave a comment. We love you. Say we love you. Say we love you. Boy's getting so big. Yeah. So, like I said, we're gonna be getting some animals, new animals. But if y'all want to drop a name in the comments, drop a name in the comments. Like I said, share us out. Let others know about the membership. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.